Let's see if we can get the car and just go for a short ride around the block. Look at this. There, that thing is a ball. It's a soccer ball. That's the only thing that's visible. Look at this. Check this out. Look at this. This is incredible. Those are the cars right now. My drift car is buried in snow. Oh my god. What don't I do for you? Look at this. Oh, I just hit my head on the thing. Thanks my wife for shoveling this. And I don't even know how. I'm not a snow guy. Not sure if you can tell, but I have no idea. Look at this. This is tall as shit. Look at that. Anyway, still snowing a little bit. I guess I need to clean my car before leaving, so
just like Brazil.
almost.
I've been drifting like crazy.
That's why I'm going to go for a ride. I'm just going around the block.
I've been completely sideways.
It's funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you have a four-wheel drive.
Yeah, I have four-wheel drive.
Oh, man.
Four-wheel drive to all spin everywhere.
I wonder if I'll be able to even go around.
Go around the corner.
So my neighbor has that Jeep out there. He just told me that he's been drifting like crazy. I don't think I'm gonna make to that corner. That one. What am I gonna do anyway? Let me finish this because it's kind of freezing. Alright, this is not a joke. It's 24 degrees out. Look at that. And snowing still. You guys ready? I'm trying to get out of my driveway. It doesn't get out of there. I should have gone when I had a chance. Alright. Look at this. I'm trying to go forward. It doesn't go. I guess I need to put either a piece of wood. So what if I go very slow? I wonder if the traction control is... Oh yeah. Okay. Slowly. We try again. I don't think I'm going very far. That's my best guess. It does not like it, huh? Got it! Okay, it doesn't move at all. Alright, that was such a brilliant idea. Alright, I just pulled up on my neighbor's driveway, and I think I gotta tell him and say, hey dude, my car doesn't get out. So, alright, that was the shortest drive ever. I can't go anywhere. It literally doesn't work. But what I think I'm going to do is go straight in here. That might get worse. Okay, let me try it again. Now I know my neighbor's driveway. My car works in there. Alright. Alright, it's driving. Should I go to the corner? No. I'm stuck already. Okay, gotta try to go backwards very slowly. I'm gonna try to go back on my driveway. Oh, shit. Didn't like very much my snow skills. Oh. Shit, I don't know what I do, man. That's all. Oh, it's gonna get the tree. Alright, so this is where I got out. Oh my god, look at that. This is what saved me, I guess, from hitting on that tree. Alright, I have a brilliant idea. I'm gonna get this here and I'm gonna shovel my way in. Alright, let's see how we did. Barely made it, and I'm gonna park like that. Look at this. This is how much snow I have in my driveway. It's up to my knees. It's a little higher than my knees. I think some of this I shovel my driveway in. I put in there, but I mean, this is unshoveled, if that word even exists. Oh, I was gonna forget my GoPro here. Probably I would come back tomorrow with 2 of those as a gift from the gods. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry I didn't make it too far. I wish I could go around the block, do some quick drifting, you know, nobody on the street, just to see how it is. I mean, closest snow I've seen was never. I mean, just here in Spokane, but I've been here for a year, so this is new. Kind of fun, but when the roads are clear, we go for another ride. All right. So you know, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and take it easy.